What's the difference between data center management and data center training?
Data center management. Data center management companies are instrumental in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of enterprise data centers and data center provider facilities. Their primary role is to oversee and optimize various aspects of data center operations. This includes how to provide comprehensive monitoring and management services. They utilize advanced tools and technologies to continuously track the performance of servers, network equipment, and storage devices within the data center. This real-time monitoring allows for the early detection of issues, minimizing downtime and disruptions. Help with capacity planning and resource optimization. They analyze data center usage trends to ensure that resources like server space, power, and cooling are used efficiently. This service helps organizations scale their infrastructure up or down based on actual needs, reducing operational costs. Play a crucial role in security and compliance. Data center management companies implement robust security measures and ensure compliance with industry regulations to protect sensitive data and maintain the trust of clients and stakeholders. Data center management companies ensure that data center facilities operate at peak performance, remain cost-effective, and meet security and compliance standards, allowing organizations to focus on their core business activities confidently. Data center training. Data center training companies deliver education and training programs tailored to the needs of personnel working within enterprise data centers and data center provider facilities. Offer a wide range of training courses and certification programs for data center professionals. These courses cover various aspects of data center operations, including network management, server administration, storage technologies, and data security. They help individuals acquire the skills and knowledge to manage and troubleshoot data center infrastructure effectively. Provide customized training solutions to meet the unique requirements of specific data centers or organizations. They can design training programs that align with an organization's technology stack, hardware configurations, and operational procedures, ensuring that employees are well prepared to work within their specific data center environment. Offer hands-on training opportunities in simulated data center environments. This practical training allows participants to gain real-world experience in managing data center equipment, addressing common challenges, and responding to critical incidents, enhancing their confidence and competence in data center operations. Provide training on industry best practices, compliance requirements, and emerging technologies. Staying up to date with industry standards and trends is crucial for data center professionals to ensure that data centers remain efficient, secure, and compliant. Offer training in data center management and leadership. This training helps professionals develop the skills to oversee and strategically plan operations. This includes courses in capacity planning, risk management, and cost optimization. Supports soft skills development such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. These skills are essential for data center professionals to collaborate effectively and address complex challenges. Data center training companies are vital in equipping personnel with the knowledge, skills, and certifications needed to excel within enterprise data centers and provider facilities. Their training programs improve data center performance, reliability, and security while empowering professionals to meet the industry's evolving demands.